This is quantitative research. Attributes and barriers that influence the adoption of a LMS. Research question: who is actually using the LMS? Problem statement: the effectiveness of the current LMS at TAMUC has been studied because of technological advancements, company mergers, and corporate buyouts relating to the LMS market that have taken place over the last few years. University administration started to have concerns about the efficiency of the current LMS. Purpose statement: the purpose of this study is to examine faculty and staff perceptions of the creation and management of curricular content with and without a content management system in an online setting. Research questions: how are they using the system? What features are used the most? What features are used the least? How will the users react to change and adopt the new LMS? Organizing theory or conceptual framework. The theoretical framework around curriculum theory, development, and ideologies provides a basis for the research and contain context for the creation of higher education curriculum. Methods. A quantitative research methodology was chosen for this study in order to explore the relationship between perceived curricular quality in the use of a LMS. The intent was to determine whether faculty and staff have different perceptions of curricular quality based on the tools used in the process. Descriptive research using a cross-sectional design will be used to observe how the different user groups are influenced by external factors and how it affects the adoption of the LMS. The results of this research design allows for immediate recommendations and can also determine specific areas that may need a more detailed focus in the future. Dataset or instrument. A survey instrument will be administered using the Qualtrics online survey application. It will be aimed at gathering information regarding the quality of distance education for use in interested educational institutions. The survey included 13 items focused on process and logistics, curriculum development, a curriculum definition, and evaluation and assessment. Using a Likert scale, respondents were asked to respond based on their level of agreement with 12 survey statements. The final item asked for general feedback regarding the curriculum definition process. The survey also requested demographic information related to institutional role and number of years' experience in online teaching. The population and sample. The population for the study included participants from 3 user groups: faculty, staff, and students. A stratified random sample from each group was determined using Cochrane's correction formula for categorical data. Sample size calculations assumed a confidence level a priori at 0.05 and an acceptable level of sampling error at 5% with a degree of variability of 0.5 and yielded sample sizes of faculty 350, staff 360, and students 381. Data collection technique. Data collection from the participants involved the usage of the Qualtrics online survey software. A generated message was sent to each of the email accounts associated with the UINs of each participant within the sample subgroups. The data collection period was set at 4 weeks for the survey. In an attempt to improve the response rate, the sending of reminder emails occurred every 7 days until the data collection period closed. Analysis method. Data analysis using SPSS, which is statistical package for the social sciences, with a one-way ANOVA, t-test, cross-tabulation, and chi-square test to describe and identify significant differences between the 3 user groups and each factor. Post hoc tests using 2Ks B were conducted when appropriate to identify the source of the differences between the groups. As we close, implications and applications. As prospective learners are provided with more choices for higher education, it is important to provide them with the data necessary to make informed decisions and to differentiate across institutions. This practice has implications for higher education in the areas of curriculum and instructional design, faculty management, accreditation, persistence, marketing, and enrollment. Decisions pertaining to the new LMS should be made with the mindset of added value to the users and the university. Users will turn away from using the LMS if their needs are not met. If they feel that the new LMS does not meet their expectations, and if the new LMS impedes current job functions and performance.